So the Sculpla, or the HOP, House of PLLA, formerly Sculpla, all the products are based on poly-lactic acid. And this is such a cool technology. It's totally different from how neogenesis works, right? This is a manufactured stem cell that is a biostimulator. So this is such a this is way creamier than anything I've talked about so far. So this comes out, it has this great little applicator. So if you're putting it on, you're gonna go, and just sweep out any fluid under the eye. So this applicator is a huge hit with clients, and it has some heft to it. It's got revitalizing, it's got PDRN, which is from salmon. A skin rejuvenator, helps the skin hold in moisture. So this is very, very hydrating. I would say more hydrating than the other skin serum. And as a matter of fact, I will put on the Neogenesis skin serum first and put this over it. That is my 1-2 punch that I give my eye wrinkles, and I love this stuff. This is also put it on twice a day. It's gonna help fine lines and wrinkles and fill in that darkness that we get underneath the eyes. That's with the volufiline. It helps draw fat to the area or plump up the area, but it also has de-plumpers in it, so it's going to flush out any excess water. This is a really interesting product. It is the creamiest of all that I'm going to show you today. So this is great to go with your facial filler home products, all the PLLA filler products that you use at home. So the Cavi, the promoter cell repair cream, the Paleo stem cell mist. And do you guys know that Paleo means filler in Korean? I did not even know that. I'm like, it'd be nice if my Korean distributor could have told me that, but Paleo, yes. And so you'll notice on some of the, like the Paleo skin prep, Paleo, the stem cell mist, the Paleo stem cell mist, Paleo, it means filler in Korean. Who knew?